Today I'm making my heavenly teriyaki salmon bowl. It's sweet, savory, spicy. Now let's get cooking.
Hey family, welcome to Wendy's Heavenly Dishes. Today we're making my heavenly teriyaki salmon bowl. Sweet, savory, smoky, and just a little spicy. Grab one salmon, 6 to 8 ounces, just right. 1 tablespoon olive oil, get the skillet tight. 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, let it fall slow. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, let the flavor grow. 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 pepper goes. Pinch of sea salt, yeah, the balance shows. 1/4 cup soy sauce, keep it low sodium, please. 2 tablespoons honey, let it flow with ease. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, rice vinegar, 1 fresh ginger, grated garlic mince, now we're done. Sweet chili, 1 or 2, chipotle, just a pinch. Cornstarch slurry ready when it's time to thicken this, yeah. Cook with me, move nice and slow. Feel that rhythm while the flavors grow. Sweet heat, smooth groove, let it roll. This is Wendy's heavenly salmon bowl. Cutting board ready, bowl close by. Take 1 parsnip, peel it long, don't rush the vibe. Wide ribbons falling, keep it clean and neat. Only ribbons in the bowl, yeah, that's the key. 1 teaspoon olive oil, drizzle it in. 1/2 teaspoon honey, let the sweetness begin. Pinch of sea salt, toss it gentle and slow. Like a pro in the kitchen, let the confidence show. 400 degrees, slide the tray inside. 10 minutes roast until they're golden on the side. Crispy on the edges, chewy in the middle. Slightly sweet parsnip ribbons, yeah, they hit a little. Skillet heating up, see the oil shimmer shine. 1 tablespoon olive oil, and now it's time. Season that salmon, let's do it right. Paprika, 1/2 teaspoon, garlic, 1/2 tonight. Onion powder, 1/2, black pepper, 1/4 goes. Pinch of sea salt, yeah, the balance shows. Yeah. Skin side down, let it sizzle strong. 3 minutes steady, let it groove along. Flip it once, 2 minutes more. Now pour the teriyaki, let it hug the core. Watch it bubble, watch it cold. Glossy, sticky, every note. Caramel shine, full of flavor sound. That's how you glaze it, don't turn it down. Yellow rice, 1 cup down. Peppers and onions, colors all around. Purple cabbage, 1/2 cup goes in. Parsnip ribbons, next let the layers begin. Salmon on top, let it rest right there. Drizzle extra salt, show a little care. Sesame seeds, green onions too. That bowl look good cause you followed through. This bowl is sweet, savory, smoky, bright. A little soul, a little spice, everything right. Color explosion, comfort and glow. Soul food warmth in every bite, you know. Try it and tell me how you like it, okay? Bye family, stay safe on your way. God bless you. See you next time at Wendy's Heavenly Dishes.
A teriyaki salmon bowl. It's sweet, savory, smoky, a little spice. Try it. It's delicious.